Assalamu alaikum, adab. Good evening, dear students. Today is the fourth lecture of voice, and today we will do the exercise of the voice. यानी कि आज फोर्थ लेक्चर है तो आज जो हमारा टॉपिक होगा वो एक्सरसाइज होगा वॉइस पर. एंड आई होप दैट you will also like and subscribe my channel whose name is Salim Sar's Academy English for All. Salim Sar's Academy, you can check that from the YouTube, and also you will share that with others. Thanks. हाँ, यानी कि जो आज हमारा टॉपिक है that is the exercise. First of all, we will start from here. Imperative sentences. As I have already told you that what are imperative sentences, here you can also see. Now we will see the exercise. Please post the letter. अब इसका आप पहले मैं आपको ऐसे करूँगा, पहले आप खुद ही करेंगे, थोड़ा कोशिश आप करेंगे. एक सेकंड, आई विल सी हाउ आई विल नो. हाँ, please post this letter. You are requested to post this letter. Shut the door. You are ordered to shut the door. Help the poor. You are advised to help the poor. Don't come late. You are asked not to be late. Be careful of your health. You are advised to be careful of your health. Don't play with the fire. You are advised not to play with the fire. Get me a glass of water. You are ordered to get me a glass of water. Pay the money before April. You are requested to pay the money. हाँ, show the mercy on the poor man. You are begged to show the mercy on the poor man. Don't stick the bills on the wall. You are ordered not to stick the bills on the wall. Apply for leave. You are advised to apply for leave. Now there are some, you can do them yourself. Teach me English. You are asked to teach English. Yes, there is another one. That is why we use the let. I have already told you the rule about this. Act in case of active. Post this letter. You have to write, let the letter be posted. Complete the work. Let the work be completed. Give up smoking. Let the smoking be given up. Pay the amount. Let the amount be paid. Send the application. Let the application be sent. Return the book to the library. Let the book be returned. Help the poor. Let the poor be helped. Park the car. Let the car be parked. And now there are some sentences of the infinitive. Infinitive means verb plus object plus to. यानी कि verb plus to. There is the exercise of this. I want to write the letter. Yes. I want the letter to be written. I have letters to write. I have letters to be written. She has children to look after. She has children to be looked after. They have no money to spend. They have no money to spend. Now you can do yourself because it is easy. In the same way, there is some another exercise where we use it was or it is time in case of active, and how we change that in case of passive. We keep this it is time. It is not changed. For example, it is time to send a telegram. We have to write here once again, it is time for the telegram to be sent. It is time to stop the work. It is time for the work to be stopped. It is time to apply for the post. It was time for the post to be applied for. It was time to repair the watch. It was the time for the watch to be repaired. It is time to shut the doors. It is time for the doors to be shut. Yes, there is another page. Passive voice of that clause, where you will see the that. We say that she is a teacher. There, that is not used as conjunction. It is used as relative pronoun. It is said that she is a teacher. They believe that he killed his wife. It is believed that he killed his wife. People may point out that he cheated the poor girl. It may be pointed out, यानी कि people के बदले हमें it लिखना है. It may be pointed out that he cheated the girl. हाँ, in the same way, there is passive voice object to complement, यानी कि there where it is not necessary to write the subject, that can be understood. The stress is given upon the object. We elected him president. He was elected as president. You can write by us, and it is not necessary. We thought him a fool. You can write directly. He was a fool. Huh. In the same way, there is another exercise of the interrogative sentences. Do you speak Telugu? Is Telugu spoken by you? Does your father spend the money? Is the money spent by your father? Do they sell watches here? Are the watches sold here by them? Is Padma singing a song? Is a song being sung by Padma? Are they helping you? Are you being helped by them? I hope that you will do this exercise now yourself, because it is easy. Then the lectures becomes too much large, and for this reason I have kept this very short. Once again, I hope that you will subscribe my channel English for All by Salim Saraj Academy, and you will share that. Thanks too much. Thanks.